This is Saturday the 7th of February 2026. We're in the Irish non-stop there. Tanya's with a foal called Marenes.
Marenes is the mare foal until 26th of the 4th.
So Sarah's Kingman, so an invisible spirit.
The Sarah.
Today is only what?
The Sarah of the mare is Kingman, the son of the
It's
spirit.
only fold on the 5th, so today is only the 7th.
Yeah, for 2 days.
Only 2 days only.
But you can't say the name of the owner on camera. You can't do that.
It's not steady enough feed.
Unless they're owned by the Irish National Stop.
Oh, yeah.
You say the ones by the Irish National Stop, but you can't say anyone else. This is Mare Pearly.
Gara.
She's new too. Who's her son?
Her sir is Franco.
Oh, Franco.
In fault to Blue Point.
When did she have before?
4.
Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Who wants to say hello, girl? Hello. What's your name again?
Gara.
Who wants to say hello to me, girl? Dara. Hello. Hi.
Here's back to you. Sorry, Frank. Look at the size of our muscles. The size of the horse. Oh yeah, talk of freedom. Good old talk of freedom.
Hi, Talk of Freedom. Hi. Hi. Talk of Freedom. I got some brass. I got some brass. I got some brass.
Yeah, go on.
You film the mares. I don't get the people. Just film the mares, okay?
Hey, hold for a second. Just hold for a second. Bring the people, right? I'll do this over.
Will you get the grass and I film the mares?
Yeah,
That'd
okay.
be easier, wouldn't it?
No, you can go across.
Geraldine? Oh, can't.
Just give me a second. I'm pushing out, right? No, good. Go ahead.
Film the mares, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you get both sides.
Yeah. Ma'am, we're going to help with the gate. Help her with the gate. Help Tanya with the gate. Garla, Garla.
Let's talk a bit more like so. Hello. She's going to the school. This is my second fall. This is my second fall. Is that right, girl? Yeah, it's your second fall, all right. She took my hand today. Last two times she shouldn't eat from my hand. She only ate if I put it into the stable, remember? Last time she only eat from my hand at all, remember? Last two times she wouldn't take from my hand at all, remember? Remember that?
Yeah.
It's very strange. Darling, the last two times I couldn't get to take it from my hand. I had to. That's only able to get her to eat it from in there.
How old is your time? She's still 7 months, but she's born a couple months early, so she's still small. Not quite that heavy.
No reason to be nervous to take it from my hand the last two times. Because she would take it. She would take it if I put it in the stable last two times. Yeah. For some reason today she changed her mind. She's going to take it from my hand. Hello. You want grass? You want grass? Lisa. Lisa. No. Lisa. No grass. Grass. No grass, no. Okay, look at all the new mares on them.
Gary, down here, Danny, look. Further.
So let's put some into the stable.
There, look, it's there.
Huh?
There, at the end.
I put some into a stable. You got any?
She can't get it, or put it, give it to her. She can't get it with.
What you got?
Pass her, her mouth, her mouth. Her mouth.
Now out. Mixed
Can't
up
see it.
with the
Try
straw.
to her mouth again.
Yeah, she put her mouth out for it.
There you go.
This one is a month old. You know.
month old exactly today, yeah. The 7th of February, yeah. On the 7th of January. He's 10 days early. 10 days. 10, he wasn't due till the 19th. He wasn't due till the 19th, yeah. 10 days early. I'm not getting up at all then, with the other American.
Who's this now? This is Dubia, this is the Wooten Bassett.
What?
Dubia, right? Visit South Australia. In fault to Wooten Bassett. Wooten Bassett is a €300,000 cover fee.
What? Is it?
Yeah, to Wooten Bassett. This in fault to Wooten Bassett. So this is the Wooten Bassett fall. 300,000.
How do you know?
That was the price of him before he died. Yeah, covering. He died in Australia.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's a female, is it?
No, that's the foal. The foal in foal to
Yeah, and
Wooden
yeah,
Bassett.
but Bay F at the end.
where? Bay filly.
Bay F.
Yeah. So, chestnut mare, born in 2017. Name, sire, Australia, and so on. You know. Yeah.
It's only about 2 weeks. It's a fine looking thing, isn't it, for 2 weeks?
That one there
Or-
impresses
over.
me. That one there impresses me. It's a small foal, but the horse, the mare is huge.
Yeah.
Big muscles on her. It's a Frankel. It's a Frankel mare.
Won't be long getting big, I think.
Yeah, that's a nice mare. You're right, man. That's a nice foal. That's a Wooden Bassett foal.
Yeah.
That's a Wooden Bassett foal. Yeah. He's fast already.
Must be too bad for them to be out today, you know.
Oh yeah, those are. Yeah, Dubia down there that might want some.
Huh?
Dubia.
What's it?
Dubia maybe,
You
yeah.
left early? Look.
Oh.
There you go. Get someone there. Look, you're really one of those things.
I ain't got those were. Keep fighting it. Keep feeding Tanya. You may as well. Get our attention.
Let them know fuck up even. Put their head up, will you? Yeah. Let them fuck up even, put their head up.
Yeah.
So the brass, would you like some? The brass like some? The brass, would you like some?
And the brass.
In the brass.
Huh?
I give them to the brass. I don't think she's had any. Hey, look at the grass, don't you, girl? Look at the grass. Yeah. I can't believe that they're missing the grass. It's been stuck in here, and you know that. These are listening grass. It's nice and moist as well. Like, it's not hay paper, really. You know that? But do that bit like some grass, Billy? Yeah. That bit, would you like some grass? I'll give you some grass. I'll try some grass before, will I? But there, I don't think I've had some grass before, will I? Okay. Like some grass? 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 No? You don't want any grass? Lovely grass. You're getting nervous.
Here's this now. This is the
This one's very nervous. Hey, you don't need to be nervous.
Marine.
I need to be nervous. I won't bite.
Put it to her nose so you can smell it.
I won't bite. Come on, girl. Come on. I won't bite. Come on.
There you go.
Girl, that's it. That's it. Girl. That's it. It's what you eat outside. This is what you eat outside. Yes. What you eat outside, girl. This is what you eat outside in the paddocks, girl. This is what you eat outside. It's the exact same thing you eat outside, girl. Come on. Come on. You got any fresh grass? No. She's really nervous. Hello. You want some grass, girl? Hello, you want some grass? Like some grass? Like some grass? Grass? Some grass? Grass? Want some grass? Grass? Yeah. Yay, got grass. She got grass. That's nice. Yeah, she got grass, darling. Darling, she got grass.
She enjoyed that, yeah.
She liked it, yeah. She liked grass, too. She liked it. She can get out my camera, my mobile. You can get out my mobile too, could I? Be feeding her grass.
Yeah, her?
The grass, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Get a little packet there. Get a little bag.
Just get the camera there. My hand, I have too much grass in my hand, I can't. And I put that grass on my phone. No, the camera's.
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I turn around there right way.
This is Saturday the 7th, 6th, yeah, 6th, isn't it? 7th? 7th, yeah, of February 2026. New York Town Stucco Tiny is with the brass in the stable area.
Yeah, that's it. That's
There you
it.
go.
That's it. Girl. What's the more? Would you like some more? Would you like some more? Yeah, look, she's loving the grass. She's liking it. Darling, she's enjoying the grass. Darling, she's enjoying it. Darling, darling, darling. Darling, she's enjoying the grass. She's enjoying it. She's enjoying the grass. There. There you go. That's it, girl. Well done. Well done. That's it, girl. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, it's stronger. If you move go and sleep against the bar there. Huh? She want grass. This isn't you when you want grass. You want grass? You want grass, girl? You want grass? No, girl, you want grass? The new parents like me at all. I don't think any of these new parents like me.
You know, 2 minutes now in your phone, can you?
Yeah. think any of those new mayors like me.
Can't get you in camera, there's people coming. Go ahead.
No, give me the more, no. Now this mayor here, she's got some interesting story. I knew her 4 years ago, I suppose. This one here, she's got the forms notes. I knew her 4 years ago, I suppose. Yeah. She couldn't brace because of her disability. But she's going on her mum's place at the moment. That's me speaking in India. She's gone on to a block next to that's the and the block was right down. The block was like first in her called Florence block in Shakespeare. And I knew it so this is the first goal and quarter shows and couldn't raise the race. Tell her story. The mayor. She found it very fascinating. Yeah.
Interesting, yeah.
Hello, Tucker Phelan. Well, I'll fix it up. There you go, yeah. No? You don't want it?
Can you hold it? Pause that, will I?
Is that still on?
Yeah, pause it.
Okay, pause it now. How long is that, Peter? On my mobile?
5 minutes.
I sent those 2 times.
Lunch?
Clams now.
Yeah, hang on. It's 2:45. Tanya. I have no idea. She's gone out there somewhere.
Just wander off.
Wander off, yeah, I know.
And that's Juba today. That's my friend Juba.
Dubia.
How are you?
Dubia.
Okay.
Dub. I think it's Dabia actually. Dabia. D-H-A-B, yeah. D-H-A-B. Dabia, I think so, yeah. See that? D-H-A-B, Dab. The H is slow and silent. Y-H, yeah. Y-H is silent.
Could you take a photograph of that name because I have it spelled wrong on my Facebook.
Yeah, pause that. Hold on.
I've got spelled wrong on my Facebook, I think.
Take a photograph.
Yeah. Bye now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
It is fine, yeah.
Yeah. So I just want to get it. Oh, you didn't get it? Yeah. So because I have spelled wrong on my Facebook. Yeah, I got spelled wrong on my Facebook, you see. I have spelled wrong on my Facebook. I didn't get it on my Facebook. I can't get the details on. Yeah.
But look, there's one soon thing you Lois. See? I fall for Frankel.
Frankel.
No, I fall to Blue Point.
På Blue Point.
She's for Frankel.
Oh.
The fall for Blue Point, yeah.
Oh. Hello, girl. You're not going to say hello to me. You're not going to say hello to me. Is it the mayor stars, Frankel?
Yeah.
Oh.
Frankel horse.
This is the Frankel mare, by the way.
Yeah.
Frankel mare.
You look at her, she's very impressive.
I'll take a poke out for her. God, she's gorgeous.
Incredible, isn't she? Huge big mare. Strong as an ox.
Who's this one here? Oh, I'm going to photograph of that. And draft.
Quickly. Got her. Yeah, and again. Good ones, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, each other. Oh, look at her tail. The tail's sticking out. This is a tail, this is real pretty. Pretty nervous, isn't it?
Really? So he tends to just kind of slip him over the work and things like that. Sometimes he'll get to cover our costume.
Here's a tour thing. Tour.
This is a youth back, look. See that? That's a youth back there.
Yeah, okay. Lots of babies here. So if you want to know anything about them, you can just read the cards here. This was the first filly of the season. She was on Instagram walking. It'll kind of tell you that this, the mare's breathing there, the mare is actually by Russell. And then you can see that the foal is by Lucky Vega, so it's a thin foal too, Lucky Vega. And this little foal is born on the 7th of January, so that's the season. And then you can see her weight. Usually the ideal weight is about 55 kilos. We're aiming for this is about 61 kilos.
Nice one, older tongue, yeah.
These foals here now, these are all a little bit older. Anything that's older
Dubia,
than
yeah.
their yard will be owned by us. But more than likely they're ours.
Good one, yeah. That's good, yeah.
Foals now, they're going to spend 6 months with
Kansas Tree.
6 months they stay together. And then
What's your mother?
No, probably go back to the restaurant.
Fine, is it?
we also raise the foals together. So
Okay, folks, we will come to lunch now and we'll see you at the Stallions. Thank you, folks.
Friends is